How to wrap text in Google Sheets. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how you can do it. So let's get started. For that, first thing you can do is just go ahead and open up your Word, your spreadsheet in which you would like to wrap the text. For example, this sheet right here. So you can just go ahead and manually select each of these options. Like you can directly highlight each of these, or you can directly go ahead and select up the whole by looking up this highlight option at the very top like this and click on it. You can manually select each of the line differently, or select up the whole by clicking on this icon right here at the top and select the whole. Once that is done, click on format at the top, and once you click on it, you should be finding an option called wrapping. You may go ahead and select up the option called wrapping and select up wrap, and that should do it. So that is it. You may also follow the same process if you want to do it and wrap your text in Google Spreadsheet. So you may follow this process. Simply go ahead and select up a column and select a format and select wrapping and wrap, and that is it. So you may also follow the same process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.